Welcome to the ultimate guide on hoverboard seat attachments, where innovation meets exhilaration. Hoverboards have taken personal transportation to new heights, quite literally, and now, with the introduction of seat attachments, the experience reaches unprecedented levels of comfort and control. In this review, we'll dive into the top-notch options in the market, evaluating their design, performance, and overall riding experience. Discover how these seat attachments seamlessly transform your hoverboard into a versatile, seated vehicle, offering a unique blend of excitement and ease. From ergonomic designs to robust materials, we'll explore the features that make each attachment stand out. Whether you're a seasoned hoverboard enthusiast or a newcomer to the world of electric personal transportation, this review is your compass in navigating the ever-growing market of hoverboard seat attachments. As we embark on this thrilling journey, we invite you to engage with us. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Tell us about your favorite seat attachment, ask questions, and share your own hoverboard adventures. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find the review informative and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and updates. Let's build a community of hoverboard enthusiasts together. LJX emerges as a strong contender, securing a commendable third-place position in our comprehensive assessment of the fiercely competitive hoverboard seat attachment market. Elevate your hoverboarding experience by transforming it into a thrilling go-kart with LJX's innovative seat attachment. This accessory not only adds an element of fun, but also enhances safety, eliminating the risk of falling from the traditionally unstable standing position. Featuring an adjustable frame length catering to both children and adults, a wider seat for added comfort, and secure adjustable straps, LJX ensures a seamless integration with your hoverboard. The package includes all necessary tools, 4 extra straps, and clear instructions, allowing for swift assembly in 5 minutes or less. With 2 hands on the full control handles for acceleration, braking, and turning left to right, coupled with foot pedal direction control, LJX provides a hands-on hoverboard kart experience, delivering full control and ensuring a memorable and entertaining ride. LJX's hoverboard seat attachment impresses with its versatile design, catering to both children and adults, ensuring enhanced safety features, making it an ideal and reliable accessory for hoverboard enthusiasts. Compatible with most 6.5, 8, and 10-inch hoverboards, excluding those with a handle in the middle, LJX's seat attachment is a creative gift and a reliable companion for children. Remember, safety first. Equip your kids with protective gear and helmets for every ride. LJX brings a perfect blend of innovation and enjoyment to the hoverboard seat attachment arena. STK secures a well-deserved second place in the competitive hoverboard seat attachment market with its revolutionary product, the HoovyKart. This innovative attachment not only adds an extra layer of fun, but also addresses crucial safety concerns, making it a game-changer in the hoverboarding experience. HoovyKart by STK enhances the hoverboard in 2 key aspects. It introduces a new level of entertainment by transforming your hoverboard into a go-kart, and more importantly, it significantly improves safety. No more spills or falls from an unstable standing position. HoovyKart provides a comfortable seated position, ensuring perfect balance at all times. The product's user-friendliness is highlighted by its fully assembled arrival. Fastening it to your hoverboard with the included Velcro straps and securing the seat takes 2 minutes or less. The adjustable leg bar accommodates riders of all heights, offering a customized experience. Mounted foam handlebars provide complete control for starting, stopping, and executing 360 degrees turns effortlessly. STK's HoovyKart stands out with its innovative design, offering a thrilling go-kart experience, enhanced safety features, and easy assembly. However, compatibility limitations with certain hoverboards may pose a drawback. HoovyKart's thoughtful design extends to its durability, with additional straps and parts included for easy replacement due to wear and tear. STK's HoovyKart emerges as a top choice, seamlessly combining excitement, safety, and convenience for a dynamic hoverboarding experience. Stay tuned for more. Hit subscribe and join our journey. KKA stands at the forefront of innovation in the competitive hoverboard seat attachment market, introducing a transformative product that not only sets new industry standards, but also ensures a thrilling and safe riding experience for both kids and adults. This seat attachment revolutionizes the hoverboarding experience by transforming it into a go-kart, providing a stable and safe alternative for kids who can now comfortably sit instead of standing. With a reinforced seat designed to bear up to 200 lbs weight, it accommodates both kids and adults, promoting safety and stability. The heavy-duty metal frame, capable of withstanding 242 pounds, is well welded and adjustable, offering a customizable length from 26 to 34.5. This adaptability caters to riders of all ages and heights, enabling them to navigate various terrains with ease. Equipped with soft foam-covered handlebars, a 360-degree front drifting wheel, and rear-wheel drive for quick turns and reverse driving, KKA's Go-Kart ensures a user-friendly learning experience. With a swift 10-15-minute assembly process, riders can enjoy an exhilarating go-kart adventure while sturdy straps securely fasten the attachment to most 6.5, 8, and 10 hoverboards. KKA's Hoverboard Go-Kart impresses with its innovative design, offering a safe and stable seating experience adaptable for various ages and terrains, ensuring a healthy, joyous activity for all. While promoting a healthy and engaging outdoor activity, KKA's Hoverboard Go-Kart fosters confidence, coordination, and friendships among kids and adults alike. Break away from digital distractions and immerse yourself in the charm of hoverboard go-karting with family and friends. It's an experience that promises amazement and lasting memories. In conclusion, these hoverboard seat attachments from LJX, STK, and KKA redefine personal transportation, offering safety, versatility, and excitement. Whether it's LJX's adjustable design, STK's user-friendly HoovyKart, or KKA's innovation, each product enhances the hoverboarding experience. Share your thoughts below, comment, like, and subscribe for more thrilling reviews.